Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Directorate of Civil Defence and Home Guards Meghalaya, ha Sngi baar kila Rakhe Racing Day ka Sngi balaseng ya ka State Disaster Response Force Battalion hamodiang diang. Ha ka ni ka program lawan Shimantalang Umentri ka Civil Defence and Home Guards ubranding A Sangma ringkat badu Commissioner and Secretary u Vijay Kumar Mantri ki officer bat ki weipat ki riu paukmat. Habakran ha ka ni ka Sngi Umentri ula batai ya ka ni ka jinglekman kum ka jing sarong ka badan jingmut ya ka jila. Ulabun pa bo ya kekenhun ajing rap Sdrf la Thaw dak bapnya soalang ya kekenhun sipai pahara khaput dak bapunan kam hok ya ki brio bat ki jinon jing em ki bala shahi kai ki bala dan lupa nak benta ke bakham kerpang banyakun persya ya ki jingja basngosi karukom trekam ke ba ulakhot karukom ke bathamai bat kakhmat ula ongru ba ka jinglong ki jaka Meghalaya bat ka jinjur uslap ke benong ban syakta ha ki jingja basngosi kum ka jingtwa khando bat ka jingshlei Kabapun pau ya kajing non kam ban pen klan ya kajing pen kre bat kila jingrap nak benta kajing jaba sngosi kajing Thaw ya ka Sdrf battalion ula ong ka de ka sien jam ka bakongsan ban kentiu ya kajing la ban ya le persha jong ka jela shu menteri ula ong ba kajing pen trei kam ya ka Sdrf kalong hapo ka Directorate of Civil Defence and Home Guards bat an pen biang ya ki da kitiar pelat im ki bakum kajuk ba menta bat an hika ya ki hakibut bakerpang ban ya rap habaja kajing jaba sngosi Dak bashim me kajing long renti ba kajing tibet jong ki border wing home guards lakpilenti bakin shakri kum kabor kabala ban shanya hakapor badan kajing bandon ka benta bakongsan hak bapalat im bat ban yada ya kishnong ki Thaw haba pin paw ya kajing shanya hak ni kajing thmu ulo ong bakan pin bhai kajing trelang habdeng kinong shimbenta bat kan long kum kan nuksa nak benta ban pinya bet ya kajing jaba sngosi ulo khodru ya kajing trelang ban te ya Meghalaya ka bakham shngai bat kabala ban yeng persha dak babatay ka kenhun kum kadak jong kajing klan kajing penwandur thamai bat kajing shakri pat ba ka baai tilut
Sdrf सपना दिवस परेड में एक परेड कमांडर एक परेड 2IC दो मार्चिंग कंटिजेंट दो बैन प्लाटून आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान जय श्रीमान
Thank you, sir.
Subsuming the bordering home guards into the State Disaster Response Force, 708 permanent bordering home guards are hereby subsumed into 2 battalions of the Sdrf, comprising of 354 Sdrf personnel in each battalion, with an aim to have a dedicated response force to effectively manage any disaster within the state as per the instructions issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. The Director of Civil Defence shall head the force in addition to his normal duties, assisted by the Joint Director of Civil Defence as the Deputy Inspector General of Sdrf. Point number 2, raising of bordering home guard volunteers. In order to retain and preserve the voluntary character of the Bordering Home Guards Battalion, the 708 Bordering Home Guard volunteers shall be raised as per the provisions and guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Point number 3, entitlement of wages. The honorarium oblique duty allowance of the Bordering Home Guard volunteers will be as per the rate of the minimum wage fixed and revised time to time by the Department of Labour, Employment and Skill Development.
Yes. Distinguished officers, national state, yes, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the commanded director officers and all ranks of civil defense and home guard for achieving this significant milestone. The establishment of the SDRF marks a new chapter in strengthening our state's disaster preparedness and response mechanism. Meghalaya, blessed with natural beauty, is also vulnerable to various natural calamities such as landslide, floods, and other unforeseen emergencies. In such situations, the importance of a well-trained, dedicated, and responsive force cannot be overstated. The rising of the SDRF today is a timely and visionary step towards separating the lives, property, and in the environment. SDRF will serve as a specialized force and resources to respond quickly and effectively during disasters. I am confident that this force will work in close coordination with all stakeholders and agencies to ensure a robust disaster management system in our state. I would like also to place on record my deep appreciation to the tireless efforts and sacrifice made by the personnel of civil defense and home guards. Your commitment to duty, often in challenging and risky conditions, reflects your dedication to the service of humanity. You are truly the silent guardians in times of crisis. On the occasion, I urge all members of the newly raised SDRF to uphold the highest standards of professionalism, spleen, and compassion. Your role is not only to respond to disaster, but also to instill confidence and hope among the people during the most difficult
Ministers for this, for this courageous decision of subsuming existing border-linked home guards into SDRF and raising in a very very technical way so that it will sustain itself in future and without much financial implication on the state exchequer. And I also thank Honorable Minister Brenninge Sangma, who is here, who has been constant support for the department, and then his guidance and everything is so important for us, and it has led to the day today that we could raise SDRF in a very dignified manner. SDRF is going to play very, very important in the state. We all know that we are on this landmass. We see such a beautiful hills here, a beautiful sky, but it's so vulnerable. We are sitting on a Richter scale 8, very sensitive seismic zone, and anytime we can see that earthquake might come. The main important is if we don't have a professional force, disaster response force, and we are going to be in big trouble. And not only that, every year we see that there are areas where floods is happening, there are areas where cyclone is happening, there are fire accidents happening, and disaster is a continuous thing that is happening. We can see all over the world, but especially in Meghalaya we have this experience. Even though we had this SDRF, now I think actually we can focus on building the capacity of SDRF, and this SDRF is going to play a very, very important role, and we can be a role model in the Northeast, especially because we have the specific knowledge about how to maneuver in the hills and how to do the search and rescue operations and for various different disasters that can happen in the state. I must congratulate the officers of department, Directorate, especially Marine Pole Sangma, the kind of effort that they have taken under his leadership. the constant support Mikush Singh sir, the IG, the Commandant General who has provided for them, and really appreciable. But without their effort, I don't think this day is possible, and because it will involve a lot of negotiations and lot of meticulous planning to convince the finance department, especially when we are, because this is also involving 708 raising of 708 new recruitments under bordering home guards on a voluntary basis.